Have you ever tried to change some part of your life and it didn't work out? You tried, like exercising. You went on for, you had a plan for 3 months to get results, 90 days, come on. You quit after 3 weeks. Has that ever happened to you? Because it's happened to me a lot of times. I started doing personal development 4 years ago, and I was reading books, I was doing courses, I was meeting up at seminars, webinars, and just gather all the information I needed to make the change in my life, but didn't. I didn't make those changes. I knew better. My conscious mind knew what I had to do, but I didn't do it. Why? I was thinking, why? And then I learned that 95% of our actions, our daily habits, what we see, what we say, think, do, feel, is 95% our subconscious mind, the autonomic nervous system, the autopilot. So if you got 5% conscious decisions and choices and thoughts, then you're undermanned, you're overpowered. I mean, I was trying to consciously just, come on, we can do it. And but I didn't get the results that I wanted. But now I've discovered something, and I want to share it with you. I want to share with you all that I've learned these past 4 years, because now I've changed my perspective, and that's the thing, the subconscious. I've tried to enhance my old identity instead of just switching into a new one. So I'm here to tell you that I'm here to show you what I've done to actually get the changes that I've wanted in my life. I've been struggling for 4 years, and now just the 3 last months just opened the doors, and I want to show you how. So first of all, I want to welcome you to what I like to call the feel, the frequency, energy, experience, lifestyle. And we're going to be talking about how to feel good about yourself, how to release the external stuff, to get free from that, how to free yourself from recognition from others, from just from everything. Just be free to be you, how you would like to be. And I'm gonna be talking about how I've built up my perspective. It's a little bit interesting, but I started out with Einstein, and you know, everybody knows Einstein as the smartest man in the world, right? But there's actually a journalist that interviewed him, and they asked Einstein, how does it feel to be the smartest man in the world? You know what his reply was? I don't know, you gotta ask Nikola Tesla. So I went and asked Nikola Tesla. One of his most famous quotes were, if you wanna solve mysteries of the universe, you gotta think in the form of energy, frequency, and vibration. Energy, frequency, vibration. Because we're living in a dynamic universe. I mean, everything's made of atoms. Atoms are always moving. That's energy, vibration, which creates frequencies. And I've been delving into that a lot more later on. But for now, how to make change. How to make change permanent. There's no use in learning new skills if you don't have the what is the most smart, what is the smart thing to do? Is it to build your house on quicksand or on rock, solid ground? That's what I've been doing these past 3 months. Those 4 years ahead of that, I was building on quicksand, man. It just gone every time I tried. And yeah, so what I mean by that is that you gotta remove what is blocking you before you can attain your new results, before you can reach the goal that you want to reach. So the way you do that is asking yourself questions, reflecting, meditating, doing mindfulness practices, journaling, for example. You ask yourself, what do I want? You state what you want, and then you ask yourself, why do I want this? And then you answer why you want it, and then you go again, why? Get to the core of why you would want that. Oh, I want to learn how to be more magnetic and attractive. Why? Because I want to impress a girl. Okay, why? Because I think I love her. Okay, why? Because she's the only person I feel ever saw me for who I really am. Why? Because she made a comment. You see, you just go down that road until you get to the most basic thing that you can think of or feel. Just get into the feeling. When you ask why until you start feeling what you're talking about, then you're headed for change, permanent change. Okay, thank you all for listening. I hope this gave you value. If any of this resonated with you, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. I'll be giving out a lot more stuff like this in the future. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye now.